Hey y'all, welcome back to another day of Vlogmas. If you happen to just stumble across this video, hi, my name is Alicia and I share lifestyle and fashion videos, and I'm currently in the middle of filming Vlogmas here on my channel. If you're not familiar with what Vlogmas is, it is where YouTubers vlog every day in December leading up to Christmas. Some do one a week, some do it every day. I am one of the crazy people who does it every single day. But welcome. Today's video is gonna be kind of a take on what's in my bag, but today I thought I would do a what's in my brush belt for work. So I actually kind of went over it the other day, but I thought that I would go into more detail and do a video just on this. So kind of a what's in my work bag. So I do work for Tarte Cosmetics. I'm pretty much a sales rep. I travel to different Ultas, sometimes Sephora, and I just offer my support for Tarte. So if someone comes in wanting a color match in Shape Tape or one of the foundations, I help color match them. And then if someone just comes in looking for makeup, I share Tarte with them. And then I am a certified makeup artist, so I love sharing my makeup knowledge with people as well. So I like to help people feel more comfortable and confident with makeup. So whenever you visit Ulta, if you have any personal items like a purse, bag, whatever, you do have to store that in a locker. So I don't like taking anything in there because I don't want to leave it. I don't want to fool with a locker and a combination and all of that. So I like to just keep everything with me. So this is what I carry in, and then I will usually carry in my Stanley. And then I did get these little straw toppers, and first of all, it makes it look so dang cute, but also keeps it from all the germs and everything. So I will link those down below in the description box if y'all want some for yourself. They have a ton of colors. Actually, I think it's time for another giveaway. I just did one. I'm not sure. I have been filming a lot and I've kind of gotten behind on editing, so I don't really know when all of these videos are gonna go up. So it's possible I just did this giveaway yesterday, but it's fine. In case you missed it, I have decided to do sporadic giveaways during Vlogmas. I don't really know, like I didn't plan this. I just decided because I actually got a pack of these to do a giveaway, but I was gonna do like a big giveaway. But since I'm talking about them, I'm gonna do that here. So if you want to be entered in the giveaway for a pack of straw toppers, comment down below and let me know if you are a Stanley girl, a Yeti girl, or a Brewmate girl. And then if you'll just put entered, that way I know you want to be entered to win those. So that's all you have to do. Be subscribed to my YouTube channel, like this video, and then comment if you are a Stanley, Yeti, or Brewmate girl. Or if there's another one that you like better, comment that down below. Okay, back to the actual video. Sorry, I just thought about it and thought it was the perfect timing. So, this brush belt Tarte actually gave to me, and I'm gonna start with, I just hit myself in the face with that. I'm gonna start with these on the front. So one of my friends works for Lancome and she gave me one of these, so I just put it in there. But it is a shield, so it's a lash comb so you can separate your lashes, but also a shield for mascara. And so I just put it in here because I actually want to put it in my makeup kit at home for when I have to do mascara. But I have the Tarte new concealer brush. Love this. It is the perfect shape to get in the inner corner. So whenever they release the new creaseless concealer, they came out with this brush. If y'all are on TikTok, it is all over TikTok shop. And then I just have some eyeshadow brushes. All of these are Tarte. This one is double-ended, so I love that. Just a good fluffy brush, and then a flat shadow brush. And then this one is also double-ended. I love this type of brush for the lower lash line. And then another smaller eyeshadow brush So some of these brushes Tarte recently sent, and then a lot of these I had from before as well. A double-ended eyeliner brush, and then this is a good either under eye setting brush or even a good highlighter brush. A good powder or blush brush. This is one of my absolute favorites, and it is definitely an old brush because it is from their mermaid collection from a long time ago, but this is my favorite stippling brush. So this is good to do blush. You can do liquid blush, or I like to use it to go over powder blush just to make sure there are no harsh lines. But how stinking cute. I actually have the full mermaid set. Actually, I think I have two because I think I ended up buying one and then Tarte gave me one a long time ago. And so I have one of these at home, and then I have one in my brush kit. And then two more brushes. Oh, that one? Okay, look at that one. I need to wash that one and try and reshape it. I don't know how that got looking like that. And then I have a lip brush and two foundation brushes. This one is the buffer brush, and I absolutely love this one. This is probably Tarte's #1 selling foundation brush. This is perfect with the Amazonian clay because it gives that airbrush effect, but absolutely love this. And then this one is for the face tape, but it is a good dense brush. So this is good for any liquid foundation if you want it to be more full coverage. So you can even use this with the concealer if you want it to be a medium coverage. But when I use the concealer, I use a damp beauty sponge. So now I'm going to start in these bigger pockets. So I do have a It Cosmetics brush bath because this is perfect, just quick and easy brush cleaner. So I like, if I'm color matching somebody, I like to use one of my brushes as opposed to the Q-tips and sponges that Ulta has. And so I need something to clean in between, and then I will, you know, deep clean at home. But then I have some powder brushes, and this is another good stippling brush. I love to use this on the blush tapes, the liquid blush. So this is a new one that Tarte recently sent. And then this is a really old concealer brush, but I love to use this one to color match. And then this is great to blend it out. But if you, I don't even know if they sell this anymore, but I love it because you can use your concealer or put your concealer on and then use your setting powder with that end. And then another like stippling brush, and then a contour brush. All three of these are actually really old. So these are definitely from my first journey with Tarte. Okay, and now I have two zipper pockets here. So I'm gonna go over this one on the bottom. That is where I keep my little samples. So if someone has bought several things with Tarte, or if honestly I've just enjoyed them as a customer, I will give them a little sample. And I have the Maracuja Lip Plump in the shade Rose Shimmer Glass. I have a few of those. And then I have a couple of Fake Awake liners. So this goes on your lower waterline and it makes your eyes look really open and awake. And then a Lights Camera Lashes mascara. Another one of those mascaras. I actually need to put a couple of the tubing mascara because people love that. And then I have a couple of blushes. Look how stinking cute these are. And these are in the shade Party. It's literally P-A-A-A-R-T-Y. So that is all I have in that pocket. And then this top pocket I probably need to go through because she's getting a little full. So I have some of my business cards. Just printed these out myself because I have not ordered new business cards with my new logo. If you are new here, I just rebranded in September. So new logo, new blog name, new pictures, new everything. And I have yet to order business cards. So I started doing a barcode, and when you scan this, it takes you to my blog website. But it's kind of if y'all have seen the link tree, it's pretty much that. It's just one that I made and it's on my actual website. So whenever you click this, it pulls up my YouTube channel, Instagram, TikTok, my LTK, and then my website. So I don't actually, now that I think about it, I don't know why my website is on there if it takes you to my website. So I probably need to change that to something different, but it will be the same link. So even I can change that around and don't have to mess with the code. It'll be the same code. And then I also have my tattoo artist business cards because I get compliments on my tattoos all the time, and he is in Crossville, Alabama, and I think it's just like an hour and a half, hour 45 minutes from Chattanooga. People ask all the time who does my tattoos. I don't know if he's gotten any business from it, but I hope so because he is amazing. I will leave his website down below in the description box along with his Instagram if y'all are looking for somebody. Crossville, Alabama. But I also have a pin, a Maracuja lipstick, and I keep this in here because they don't sell it in store. I have a sticker that my work bestie gave me, my name tag. I just keep it in my brush belt. That way I don't forget it. I have 3 little samples. I like to keep these in my brush belt to touch up my lips throughout the day. Once again, they don't sell this size. And then I forgot my blush one day, so I had one of these samples, and so if I need to add some blush, I have my own little sample of that. And then I have some change, which I need to get out of here. Earrings, I wore these the other day, but even though they're light, they were hurting my ears, so I took them out and just put them in my brush belt. So I'm gonna put them up here by my phone so I can take those inside. And then the last 2 things, I keep some gum. I love this just bubblegum flavor, and then my car keys, and that is it. But that is everything that I keep in my brush belt, aka my work bag. I really hope that y'all enjoyed this kind of spin on a what's in my bag. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to comment to be entered in the straw topper giveaway, and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see y'all tomorrow for another day of Vlogmas.